Hello everyone, this is Sangeeta and welcome to my channel Sayujyam the Art Zone. We saw in the previous video the concept of two-point perspective. Now we know that we see things from the corner in two-point perspective. Today we will see how to draw some forms using two-point perspective, giving them the 3D effect. So let's get started. We will quickly brush up and draw a box. We will start with a line, okay? Then we will connect the edges to both the vanishing points. Now decide the depth of this box and draw a line parallel to this between the converging lines. Now we see only two sides as this box is on the horizon line and is at our eye level. Now imagine this box to be transparent. We want to see the other edges of this box. So what to do for this? Let's see. We connected these points to the vanishing point this side. Now we will connect to the opposite vanishing points as well to get the other sides of the box. Right? Now this is the top and bottom of this box. Now I'll just rub all these extra converging lines and mark them with red and get back. Alright? The ones that I have marked with blue color are the other sides of this box, which are not seen otherwise except when it is transparent. Before moving ahead with other forms, we will see how to get the center of any base or top of an object. We connect the opposite corners on both sides to get the center of this square. Since this is a square, we will connect the center of the opposite lines as well to help us make an ellipse, prism, cone, etc. Remember, when we draw an object at different angles, we will connect these center with the vanishing point to get the center of all the sides. I'll be showing this in today's video. Now we will be connecting these points and make a circle. I had shown how to do this in my lines and curves series. You may check that out later. Now let's make a prism above the horizon line. With the same method, we will make a box according to the size of the prism that we want. Now we will get the other sides and corners of the box as well. Sorry for this untidy part. I just realized that I forgot to press the record button and drew the entire prism without even noticing it. So I had to rub it all. Anyway, let's continue. See, there is an intersection point here. Now connect these 2 points to get the top. Now we want to find out the center of the top to make the peak of the prism. So we connect the opposite corners of the top. And now we will connect this point to all 4 corners to get the sides of the prism. Since this is above the horizon line, we will see the bottom of the prism and these 2 sides. Now I'll rub all these lines for more clarity and get back. So now the prism is seen well. Same is the technique for making a cone that will be below the horizon line. We got an intersecting point now, and we will draw a parallel line to this. We will make an ellipse on top, for which we have to find the center of all sides. Connect the opposite corners to get the center of top. Now place the ruler connecting this center and the vanishing point, which will give the center on the remaining two lines. Now connect all these points and make an ellipse. Connect the opposite corners to get the center of the bottom. In the same manner, we will draw a cylinder below the horizon line. Connect the opposite corners and find the center. Now pass a line through the center to the vanishing points on both sides to get the upper ellipse of the cylinder. We will do the same for the bottom of the cylinder. Here we will not show the entire ellipse as it will not be seen and half of it will lie on the other side. We will show the visible side by connecting the edges of these lines in a curve. That is the portion of the ellipse that will be visible from this angle. I hope I was able to convey the concept of two-point perspective in today's video. If you found this video helpful, then please do like and share this video. Also, those who are new to my channel, please do subscribe. Thanks for watching, and until we meet again in the next video, take care and bye-bye.